In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on the Notion app and Notion web version. Firstly, let's see the app. Launch the Notion app. In the left side menu, click on Settings. In the My Settings tab, you can see an option called Appearance. Change the appearance from System Settings to Dark. Here you can see that Notion has turned into dark mode. Now let's see the web version. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Notion. Click on the first website. This is the official website of Notion. A pop-up should appear in the top right corner of the display to log into your account. Click on it to log into your account. From here, the steps are the same as the app. Click on Settings and change the appearance to dark. Here you can see that the Notion web version is now in dark mode.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.